Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are creating a cute card today using our new stamp set Fall Gnomes. This stamp is so cute. It has this very cute gnome and it has a baby gnome. How cute is that? Lots of cute fall images, and we're going to create a beautiful slimline card. And the slimline die that we used is from Whimsy Stamps. It's the Card Builder Slimline die. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. This die has some very fun detail. It leaves a wonky stitch around the card. And as I ink up my circle here, you could see the wonky stitch around the circle as well. So I'm going to ink it up with Distress Oxide inks. I'm going to do all three circles the same, so I'm not showing the last two. I'm using fossilized amber and faded jeans on my card. I also grab some rusty hinge and some spice marmalade. Here I decided to get out Fired Brick, and I really love how it turned out with this color. Wow, check out that oxidation. That just looks really cool. All I did was spray some water on it and let it do its magic. If you're wondering what the mat I'm using, it's the Wendy Vecchi Make Art mat, and I love this thing. I love the magnets to hold down my cards, to make them flat when they're drying, and it's really useful. I have this linked up in my Amazon store, so you'll see that down below. Just go to my Amazon store and then it should be under Tools. So let's stamp out our sentiment, "There's no one like you." And what I like to do is add the circles first on the inside, and then we can glue on the panel after. This just helps everything line up. I am going to add some foam tape to the back of my panel to give it some lift. As you can see, I play around with the layout a lot. I just wanted to use all the images. I had a lot of images colored. They were so cute, and I wanted to fit them all on the card. But I think less is more, and I ended up wishing I would have left some of the images off the card. It still turned out cute, and it was really fun to make. So I hope you have fun playing with your stamps and creating fun scenes.